Alright, there's a date and time. We're here at Cocheco Mill number 2 in Dover. We're gonna ride the elevators. It's got a Montgomery call button. So let's see which one comes first. We got the left one first. Hopefully no one's in it. Oh wow, these are nice. Oh, here's the buttons. We got a 4. Here we go. Here we are, 4. Here's the 4th floor. 1. Got a cab view. I love the theming of these elevators. These are really cool. 1986, 125 feet a minute, 2,500 pounds. There's the fixtures, Pine State elevator, and the phone door is jammed. Here we are at 1. We'll send this one up. Then we'll get the other car. That looked like taping, but it's not. There's that one. Get the other one. Oh, listen to that motor. That's an epic motor. Yeah, let's see what Montgomery. That's the entrance over there. So, first floor, we're gonna be waiting a little bit. Oh, both of them are coming down. We're gonna see which one comes first. Coming up. Oops, sorry.
Sorry, thank you.
You're fine. There you go.
Thank you.
I'll let you take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So that'll go. Here's the other one. So it's gonna go 4. Let's listen to this one. Here we go. What is going on? 1. It's got a Montgomery buttons. This doesn't have as good a theming as the other one, but it's still cool. 3,500 pounds. 1988, 150 feet a minute. Fixtures. We get a focus. Pine State. There's an 88 phone. A ThyssenKrupp phone. Here we are 1. This has probably got the best motor I've ever heard. On a Pine State. So once you close. There it goes. And that's it.